So if you bought an aftermarket rear set, chances are that if you want to ride the bike on the street, you need to address the brake light switch. Most rear set kits will eliminate the rear brake light switch. So an optional accessory is a Woodcraft pressure activated brake light switch, and what this does is this banjo bolt threads into the top of your master cylinder and connects the banjo right there, and what it does is when you apply pressure in your brake system, it senses that and it activates the brake light. You simply splice the stock brake light switch and it comes with the connectors you need to get it done, and when you're done you just give your brakes a quick bleed again and you're ready to go. So typically 15-20 minute install, and if you've got aftermarket rear sets, you can get back to having a rear brake light that functions again.
Go to woodcraft-cfm.com or call us at 978-297-2977. Woodcraft Technologies, designing and manufacturing function-first, race-ready parts for over 20 years.